Good afternoon, Big Bear Life. Well, one more replaced, fixed, painted, refurbished. This one didn't have a problem with the bottom. It needed a couple screws on the bottom because it was a little loose. Its big problem was there was a hole in the roof. So we put a makeshift long roof on the top just so I didn't have to cut any wood. And then repainted it. It's got an oblong hole. I guess bigger birds like it. So that's one more, and then we got another one. That's one left to go right there. She's laying on a clutch of eggs, so I'm not going to even touch it. I caught it when she was not home this morning, but she's back in there. I can hear her. So with that one, we'll wait a couple. We'll probably wait till maybe after camp meeting. I may have to wait that long, because if she lays them, she's already laid them. Maybe 2 weeks to, I don't know, a week to 2 weeks to lay on them, incubate them, hatch them, and then about 2 weeks in a nest. 2-3 weeks. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of August. So, all right, or end of July. I mean, the beginning of August. So this will be after camp meeting. All righty. All right, and this is the other one I did today. It needed a complete new floor. Roof is not bad. Put a little putty up there and then repainted it. Repainted the whole thing. It was natural wood. This is the one that I was here 3 weeks ago, I guess. 2 weeks ago. And went to pull it down and a bird flew out right in my face. And then after she was gone, I looked in there very gently and found that there was 2 or 3 little ones in the nest that she was brooding on. They had already hatched, but you know, she's raising them up a little bit, and today they were gone. I cleaned out the nest, cleaned out everything out of it, so I could, because the floor was completely falling off of it. It was hanging down at like a 22 degree angle. Put a brand new floor in it, gave them a little portico on the outside, fixed the roof, repaint, sealed everything up, and it's ready, good to go. It's good to go. That's I think I'm going to number them all so people can put down where they saw what birds. They can say, oh, it birdhouse whatever, and then I can look at a map and find out where the birds are. Now this one had down there in the nest, it had some yellow oriole bird feathers. So that's pretty interesting that there were yellow ones in there. And I've seen them around. I've seen those yellow orioles, and people told me what they were. That's how I know. And well, that's the second one. Now I hung it a little higher. That way, kids can't walk up to it. And she's screwed on tight to the pole. So that's all. Big Bear Life on the side. That's amazing. Now I'd fixed this, I guess about a month ago, and it was completely cleaned out. And now it's full of stuff. I don't know. Somebody's packing something in there. Somebody's in there. That's a pretty good sign when the birds accept to it, and they go right back to laying eggs. I'm hoping they get a couple more groups of eggs for this year. So that's pretty cool. That I just did that a month ago, and now they're already back in there. They accepted it. They like that. They like that it's looks nice and it's solid, and the floor ain't going nowhere, and the roof doesn't leak no more. So that's another one. I'll have to number these. Like I said, I'm going to have to get some stickers and number them so people can say, oh, a birdhouse whatever. There's there's this coming and whatever kind of bird coming out, shrike or whatever. So that's a good sign. Big Bear Life on the side. Good afternoon, Big Bear Life. Well, tomorrow is the 5th of July. Today's the 4th. And I will be not be around for the next few days. I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to get this posted, but I'm going to try to get it posted before I leave. Have to go for some tests and medical procedures down to VA hospital, and not sure when I'll be back. I'm putting it out there now, and you're not going to see it till I'm already gone. So I won't even know, what you said until I come back to the cabin, or when I get out of the hospital. Don't know where this is going to turn. Don't know why. What is going on? I've just had some medical things that are going on that I'm tired of dealing with. That I need to go and see if a doctor can figure out what else is going on other than all the other things that have gone on with my medical conditions over the past almost 10 years, 15 years now, and things just keep getting worse, and so I'm going to go down there and see if they can help me out with finding out what's wrong, what's going to go on, what's going on. So, I'm not going to say pray, but don't get too worried, because I don't put up with shit anyway. So I'm an ornery cuss. Everybody knows that. So I deal with what I got, and what happens, happens. It's not in my hands. It's not in your hands. It's only in God's hands. So, it is what it... I hate that expression. It is what it is, but it is what it is. Whatever happens is going to happen no matter what. So, this will probably be my last video for at least the next week. I don't think. I don't know. But please like, share, comment, subscribe. Say hello to around the world, to everybody that does watch this. And all right, talk to you later.